there's another method for finding the intersection of two lines called elimination. And the idea here is that we want to eliminate a variable by adding or subtracting two equations together. Okay, so we have two equations for two different lines. And, you know, these equations tell us that 5x plus 3y is 9, right? Those are the same, if it's on this line, if a point is on this line, this is going to be true, right? 5x plus 3y is 9. Same way with the second equation, right? It's telling us 10x plus 7y is 16. So any point on that line satisfies that equation. And so we're adding, if we can add these two equations together and get another true statement. You know, I could write 15x plus 10y, right? I'm just adding 5x and 10x, gives me 15x. 3y plus 7y gives me 10y. So I can say that 15x plus 10y is equal to 25, which is 9 plus 16. And that's another true statement. Okay, so but we want to eliminate a variable in the process, right? So that, because right now if 15x plus 10y equals 25 doesn't really help me find x and y. But what I can do, let's actually multiply this first equation by a -2. All right, now actually I'm going to write it this way. I want to actually multiply both sides by -2. Multiplying both sides by a -2. Okay, multiplication. I'm using a dot for multiplication. So I'm going to distribute this -2 across both terms of the left-hand side, and I get minus 10x minus 6y equals minus 18. Now that's another true statement. All I did is I multiplied both sides by the same amount. So this is also true. But you can see now, if I add this new equation that I got by multiplying the first one by -2, and I add it to the second equation, 10x plus 7y equals 16, then what happens is that -10x plus 10x is 0. -6y plus 7y is just y. And then -18 plus 16 is a -2. And voila, I found that y is equal to -2. All right, I eliminated the x variable there. And by multiplying by -2, multiplying that first equation by -2 allowed me to do that. And now I know the y value, and then I can use either one of the original equations to find the x value. So let's just take the second one. We can take, we know that 10x plus 7y, and y is -2, is equal to 16. And then I can just add 14 to both sides, right? Because -2 times 7 is -14. Which means that if I add 14 to both sides, this will cancel out. I'll get 10x equals 30. And so x is equal to 3. So now I have found the intersection between these two lines. This is the point, this xy coordinate. X equals 3 and y equals -2 satisfies both equations. And you can check it. You know, you can just plug those values in to make sure you got the right point. Plug, you know, the 3 in for x and the -2 in for y. So you would get, in the first equation would be 15 minus 6 equals 9. And you'll find that that's true. If you plug it into the second equation, you'll get 30 minus 14 is 16, right? So it's true. So this is the intersection point of those two lines, and we did it this time by elimination.